Alright, for my next one, it changes to molality. So for your molality formula, it's little m with the underline equals moles of your solute divided by the kilograms of your solvent. So this changes. It's no longer your solution on the bottom, it's your solvent. So we're not talking about the whole thing anymore. So the top number needs to be in moles. Your solute needs to be in moles, and your solvent needs to be in kilograms. Notice that they're both in grams. Okay, so you need to decide which is your solute. And I see, so this is dissolved in that. So this has to be my solute. So I need to change this number to moles, and I need to change this number to kilograms because that's my solvent. I can do that really easily. We're going from grams to kilograms, so I just back it up, back the decimal place up 3 times. So this changes into 0.225 kilograms. And so I have that ready to go. Now the next thing I have to do is change my sodium hydroxide into moles. So I'll do that really quick. 32.1 grams sodium hydroxide. And we're going to change that into moles of sodium hydroxide and cancel out my grams on the bottom. So sodium hydroxide is 39.99715 grams per 1 mole. So all I need to do is divide that. 32.1 divided by 39.99715, and that'll give me 0.8025 moles of sodium hydroxide. So now I have moles and I have kilograms, so I can just go ahead and divide that. So 0.8025 divided by 0.225 is going to give me 3.57, around that, molality, and that is your answer. Alright, for number 15, we're still on molality, but we have a it's a different, like, it's kind of backwards. And so I'll still use my molality formula, which is molality equals moles of your solute over liters of your solvent. I'm sorry, kilograms of your solvent. And so it gives you your molality, so I'll just go ahead and plug that in. And then your 67.2 grams of water. Let's pick out which my solute, which is my solvent. So of course this must be my solute because I'm going to dissolve it into water. So I'm looking for my moles of solute. And then of course changing the grams, and this is my solvent, so this actually needs to be in kilograms. So what I'll do is just back it up 3 times, 1, 2, 3. This becomes 0.0672 kilograms of H2O. And so what I can go ahead and do now, I have 2 numbers I can plug in. So I have 0.0750 equals X over 0.0672. Put this over 1 and solve for X. Now remember, X is going to give you the moles of that solute. 0.0672 times 0.0750 is going to give you 0.00504 moles. And I can easily change moles into grams. So 0.00504 moles. I'm going to change that into grams and get rid of moles. So how many grams are in 1 mole of my solute? C12H22O11 is going to be 342. 0.2977. So I'm just going to multiply that, and I get 0.00504 times 342.2977, and that's going to give me 1.73 grams, and that's of your solid liquid.